Today I will be showing you how to make slime like this. Oops, just some of it fell. So I'm going to be showing you how to make slime like this, or it could be even slimier because I used something else for my first try. Sorry, I had to get the piece of slime that fell. I actually made a lot more than this, but it's too much to show. So let's get started on this video. Okay guys, so what you'll be needing is something to mix with, some Elmer's glue, something to mix it in, and some starch, liquid starch, and some water. So just take your bowl, pour some glue in. I'm not going to pour the whole bottle because I don't want to. And if you want, you can use food coloring, but I'm just going to make mine white. So just add a little bit of that glue.
See, you keep running away. I'm not. I'm perfectly fine.
So then, sorry if you hear anything in the background. So then just add a little water.
You hit me with something as soon as I said my go.
Okay, so then just mix it. Sorry about the noise. So then just mix the water. It doesn't matter how much water you put in because you're going to have starch. Sometimes you don't even need to add water. So then get your liquid starch and then add some. Start with a little bit and then end with, then just keep adding if you need to. So then just, you'll see that it's turning to slime. I didn't even want to make a color with it because it seems that color makes it weirder. As you see, this is what it is right now, but it will be something else later. So just keep mixing it, and then you'll come and then you'll see that you'll have slime, and then you just want to let it sit for 5 minutes on a surface that is dry. Doesn't matter, you can put it in a plastic bag, it does not matter. It's just because how wet it looks and stuff. So I'm just going to set it aside in here in a cup, because the cup is not wet. So I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 5 minutes, and this is what